ngasi October tang 12 thangja numit ki Imphal da phongba pauche khar gi headlines pathokcharge taminarasi. Pung 12 da manga lekhide 183 positive oiki. Parliamentary Secretary Oiramba Singh action laukhatnaba Congress na Governor da taksinkhre candidate ama busu thabak hapchinduna sananingba mongda sanari ibobi. Pension book bandhan loba officer amadagi lupa lakh 53,095 phare ATM card 168 passbook 139 pension book 130 phare. Chief Minister na RIMS Authority ga COVID-19 laikchet ki matang da khanakhre. By election 2020 Lilong ki mirep ani withdraw tawkre AC manga da mirep 13 na mikhal thingnaragani. Himalaya region da achauba yuha haraba yai study. Imphal Turel ki imai warning level yore. CM Popi Thabasingi mathakta paksana operation sathaba hauragani. Minister Lukhoina mapanda chatpada kari londa wari sanarugadoribano khanbada wai Jayanta Kumar. COVID-19 vaccine gidama government na special immunization program pangthoknaba thorang tawkhre. Taiwan da khula yolabadi khut hangani China. UK da akanba lockdown hokre. Mathang chahi ki April phawada American pumnamakta COVID-19 ki vaccine phanghangadori. Europa League Arsenal na goal handoklaga repeat pumaithi ba pikhre. Cristiano Ronaldo hojiksu coronavirus positive oiri report. Amasung Mumbai Indians na Chennai bu wicket 10 da maithi ba pikhre. Thank you.